And yes, baseline flags, fasting flags, derived flags, visit numbers, visit days, and the date of collection studied. Okay, same type of variables. Time point. See, the test will change. That's it. Now let's discuss about VS step. Vital signs domain. So what this domain will capture? This domain will capture the following measurements. Vital signs is nothing but subject height, weight, body mass index, temperature, pulse rate, systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure. So these vital signs details we will collect. And when it will collect in every visit. So go to hospital also. In the starting, they will collect all these vital signs in the starting only. Okay. Height, weight, body mass index. And also see. So there is a vital sign column separately. So in every visit, we will measure the following measurements. What this domain will capture? This domain captures the following measurements. What are those? Height, weight, body mass index, temperature, pulse rate, systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure. Clear? So all these measurements we will measure in every visit. All the details will capture. Okay. So what is the structure of the domain? The structure is one record per visit one record per vital sign measurement per visit per subject. Okay, means for each measurement you will get one observation. That too for each visit. So for example, weight you are calculated now. Now weight you have to derive on every visit. 101 subject, let's assume his weight at a screening time is 60 kgs. Same 101 subject, we have to calculate at when we come for a next visit, what is his weight. Okay, what is the subject weight and a week next visit, what is his weight. In every visit, we have to calculate the weight. Weight details. Okay, this is going to be your subject details. And this is the test we are doing. In which visit and what is the results. Okay. Now this is your test. Taking the weight, height, body mass index is the test. And this test will do it in every visit. And for every visit, you will get a result. Okay. So one record per vital sign measurement for each visit, for each subject. Same thing we have to repeat for all the subjects. Okay. So what is the topic variable? What is the topic variable for LB domain?
VS test code.
LB test code. Now here VS test code. Okay. So let me give the list of variables. So what are the common variables we have? Study ID, domain. We are discussing about vital signs domain. Yes, UBJ ID, unique subject ID is combination of study ID, site ID, and subject ID, and sequence number. So obviously we have to derive the sequence number. Why? Because one subject have a multiple observations, so we have to derive the sequence number. VS test. So vital sign. Test name. Test name will capture here. Remember, test name up to 40 characters was allowed. Okay. Test code alone is a short name. Same vital sign test short name. Short. So short name should be 8 characters. And it's going to be your topic variable, right? Remember always in all the domains, all the finance domain, the short name. Test code will be the short name up to 48 characters. So here, for example, if your test name will capture like this, body mass index is more than up to 40 characters was allowed. But when you come to test code, you have to capture a short name. That's BM. Okay, short name, systolic, instead of writing systolic blood pressure, just write SBP, systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure. Like these short names, up to 8 characters, you can write a test code. Okay, clear? Next. VS category. Okay, vital sign category. So what is the category of the test? If you have any information, if they are cutting your CRF, if they are categorized anything, the category details will mention. If not, not required. Even subcategory also same. Vital sign subcategory. So in that CRF, the given test was categorized into, okay, according to the measurements. If the category information is there, we'll capture into category and subcategory variables. Okay, this is a new variable. One more VS position. Previously, this variable not came. Vital sign position of the subject. So, what is the subject position while measuring the vital signs? Subject was in sitting position, as is in standing position, as in supine position. Okay, what is subject position? Okay. Next. What else variables we have? We'll get obviously results. Vital signs, original results. Vital signs, original results, units. And here you don't have any higher limits and lower limits. We will capture only in the LB domains. Higher limits and lower limits. Okay. So vital signs, original results. So vital signs, original results, units. Same. Vital signs, standard results in character data, right? Vital signs, standard results in numeric data type. Vital signs, standard results, units. Okay. Standard results in character data type. Vital signs, standard results in numeric data type. Vital signs, standard results, units. Okay. So for example, see here in this scenario itself, for 101 subject, we tested the result, which is 60. It's 60 kgs. It is okay. 60 kgs means here there is no conversation word, so directly 60 kgs, right? So 60 will go to original results variable because result one more. Units will go to units variable. Generally, for kgs, right, already most of your vital signs conversation won't require. 99% directly they will give in the standards only. Okay. So standard also will come 60, character data type and numeric data type. Units also kgs. Okay. So like this, original results, standard results will capture. Okay, clear? Next, VS stat. So these are common variables in every domain. Completion status. Tell me what is the observations I'm going to get for completion status? Tell me. What is the completion status? Guys, in every domain it is coming.
Not done.
Completion. You have to capture not done. When it will be not done? If the vital sign test, the test is not done, then you have to capture not done. How programmatically do it? For example, only test name available, both the results, even at least in the original results are not there, even the standard results also not there. Okay. So you can write programmatically like this. If original results are missing, if the original results are missing and standard results also was missing. Okay. Nothing details are available. Only test name is there. Both original results and standard results are missing. Then we can give the vitals and status as a not done. Okay. If it is not done, write a reason for not done. Why the vital sign test was not done. Okay. If your vital signs is not done, write a reason. Okay. Reason for not collected. Maybe any reason. For example, subject is refused to give the sample measurements. The reasons we have to calculate. Okay. VS location. So body location. For example, you are checking the temperature. Oh, underarms or unmoved. Okay. SVS laterality. Laterality. Laterality is nothing but directionality. So which arm? For example, is it left arm or right arm? Okay. Next. We have baseline flag. Tell me what is baseline flag? Yesterday we discussed it, right? What is baseline flag?
First non-missing value of original result.
First non-missing, you will get a SR missing values, correct? When it will be yes. Okay. The first non-missing test results for each test and for each subject, they're going to be baseline flag is yes. Say for example, for 101 subject, we are testing weight and height. Okay, weight they're calculating at screening week 1, week 2, week 5. Let's assume subject weight is 50 kgs, 52 kgs, 49 kgs, 55 kgs. Different weights we got it. And with VSDTC is a collection date. In different timings we collect it. Now, what is the subject which test weight we have to consider as a baseline flag? The first non-missing test results, wherever the first you collected, right? That's going to be your baseline flag. This is for weight. Similarly for weight, height also. When you first time, if you did not get a results, the next immediate one, whichever you have a result, that you have to go and consider as baseline. Clear? Same in LB what we discussed. Simply a test was changed. The meaning will be same. Okay. Similar to derived flag. Derived flag, you will get SR missing only. When it will be missing, directly virginal results are available. So virginal results are missing. Directly standard results if it is available, then your derived flag is yes. Okay. And this they are common variables which come in every domain. Visit, name of the visit, visit number and visit day. We are going to derive from the SV domain. Remember yesterday we derived from the SV domain. I shown you. So you have to take it your intermediate LB domain or vital signs domain. You have to merge with your SV domain. In SV domain, for each subject, for each visit, you will be having visit number and visit day. When you merge both the data set by unique subject area and visit, you will get a visit numbers and visit day. Okay. Here, same will applicable here as well. So visit will calculate from the raw data, will derive, but visit number and visit day, we are going to derive from the SV domain by merging with common variable by unique subject area and visit. If we merge common, visit numbers and visit days, we'll get. Okay. Next, VSDTC, date of collection, when the visit vital signs measurements are taken, the dates will capture. Okay. And if we have visit DTC and RFST DTC, I can derive the visit day also, study day of vital signs. The same standard formula. How can I derive the study day? VSDTC minus RFST DTC plus 1 when VSDTC greater than or equal to RFST DTC. Okay. If it is less than, let's do the minus. VSDTC minus RFST. Okay. Clear? Next. VSTPT, planned time point. So when in all, you're planning to take this vital signs. For example, in your study, you want to take the vital signs. That is assume subject temperature, you want to take it every 8 hours or in 60th hour or immediately 5 minutes, immediately 10 minutes. And different time points if you want to take the vital signs. TPT will go in VS TPT, you have to mention the time point it is. If you have multiple time points, for each time point, give me number. You will get a number set 1, 2, 3, 4. So based on the time points, assign the numbers. Clear? That's it. So these are the variables you have in a vital signs too. Almost same, right? Need to find any new variable from LB domain. Apart from this position variable, you don't find any new variable. Same variable. All are. Instead of LB, I replaced with VS. But here the test, main thing, test will change. So their laboratory category test, hematology, clinical chemistry, urine analysis category test will do it. Now here we'll calculate the measurements. Vital signs will get. Okay. Let's see an example also. Okay. Everyone able to see my screen? Sir, see here. It's clear, right? See what are the variables you have? Study ID, domain, unique subject ID, sequence number, test code, VS position, original results, original unit, standardization, character data type, numeric data type, units, status, reason for not done, location, laterality, baseline flag, derived flag, visit, visit number, visit date, DTC, visit date, time per time one. So in this vital signs, we are doing see these steps: systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, pulse rate, temperature, height, weight. VS test code will be the short name of that particular test. What is the subject position? VS position. Original results. See, for example, pulse rate you have to calculate 72 beats per minute. This is going to be your original result. Or you are calculating some temperature 34.7 Celsius. Original result, original is units. Same thing, standard also. 72 beats per minute at 34.7 Celsius. Now there is no conversation was required here because already they derived in a, they are captured in a standard formats only. So there is no conversation was required. Same details you can capture in a standard size. Okay. So same standard details in character data type, numeric data type, and units. Status. So it will be not done when, for example, see, way details you are not captured. Original results are not there, standard results also not there. Why? Write a reason. So status is not done, write a reason as a subject was replaced. So this diffuse details. What is the reason also you can capture from the raw data. Definitely in the raw data they could be available. That variable you have to assign. Okay. BS location. What is the body location? For example, you are checking the temperature. Wait. Systolic blood pressure. You're checking for an arm. Which position? Left arm or right arm? Laterality is the directionality. Okay. Baseline flag you have to derive. And next, derived flag. If you observe derived flag, observe the third observation. Original results are missing. Directly standard results are given. Observe the sixth record also. Original results are missing. Directly standard results are given. That time, derived flag is.
Sir,
Yeah.
the difference. Could you please explain one time difference between VSBL FL and VSDR?
Both are different, right? Both are completely different. See here. What is BLFL? Baseline flag. What we discussed yesterday also. See, the first non-missing test results. So every time for a subject, we will do the in different visits, we'll do the test, correct? For each test, we'll do the same. Weight, height, BMI, we will do the test in every visit. And every visit, we will capture the result also. But which one you have to take it as a baseline value? The first test results. Going to be your baseline values. Okay. The first test results going to be your baseline value. But your derived flag is completely different. From the raw data, let us assume the original results is not given. They keep it as missing. Directly standard results are given. That time, derived flag is just. Okay.
Right, sir.
Both are different, completely different flags. This derived flag you may or may not be derived in your real time, but baseline flag you definitely will derive every study. Okay, the derived flag may not that much important, you may not derive, but baseline flag will derive. Sure. Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay. So again, visit we will capture from the raw data. Visit number and visit day you will derive from the SV domain. I told you right, shown you right. You have to merge with your SV domain by taking the common variable of unique subject ID and visit. Okay, if you merge, then visit numbers and visit day, both you will get from the visit number and visit day, you will get it from the SV domain. Okay, VSDTC is a collection day. VSDY study day you have to derive the standard formula. Time point number. Okay, time point in different time points, in which time points you did the particular test. If you have multiple time points, for each time point give the number. Okay. Okay.
Sudarshan, one quick question. So here
Yeah.
the baseline flag is like the first non-missing test results, right?
Correct.
When you go to that previous example, the screenshot, the other document.
Hmm.
Yeah. So here the baseline flag is defined as defined for a third record, right? VSBLFL.
Okay.
Okay, but the third record is it's not a non-missing one, right? Third record is actually a missing
You have
one.
directly standard results also there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, results are available. See, original results are maybe missing. Standard results are there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not like that, sir. Actually, if standard results are not there, then we have to consider it as a baseline flag, no, sir.
No.
No, here the first non-missing result is a first record, right? Baseline flag.
Okay, here see, it's not complete data, how they are derived, because observe here, so just an example. See, tests also, observe here, visit baseline test result or visit to. Okay, mostly at the baseline test results, they give the flag. Okay, because the visit to they did not give. Only for baseline, and the first visit, they make it as a flag. Okay, again, if you observe here, 6th and 7th or anything, they are deriving in a multiple times. So let us assume up to 12th, right? Systolic blood pressure, they are deriving in a 2 time points. Baseline 1, baseline 2. Okay. Even though and also they are deriving at a 3 times they are deriving systolic blood pressure. Baseline 1, baseline 2, and another time point they did not give. Okay. Diastolic blood pressure, they are deriving in a 3 time points. Baseline 1, baseline 2, and another they did not give. Okay. Next. Pulse rate. To observe pulse rate 7, you have derived only once. The first baseline value they marked as a baseline value. Okay. But what about for systolic blood pressure and diastolic blood pressure? 3 records are there. For 1 record only, they mark the baseline flag as yes. So maybe in this study, they may ask you, okay, if you have a different time points, okay, which one will be okay? Maybe sometimes, okay, they will give the best value, okay, or else maximum value, or else maybe what instructions they given for particular study. According to that, baseline flag will be derived. Okay, in general, the meaning will be first baseline value. For one time, only one result will be there with the same rule. Observe here, pulse rate. Okay, which one only you have only one record. Only at the baseline time, only one test was done. That one is marked as a baseline value. It's clear? Observe the 7th record. Okay. Again, observe that 10th and 11th record. At a baseline time, they derived only once. Let us assume baseline is here in nothing but screening, guys. Okay. At the time of screening, they did only one test. They got a result that they marked as a baseline flag. If we have at the time of screening itself, they are doing a 2 to 3 times test. In these 3, which one you have to take as a baseline value? So that is scenario based. Okay, that is your study based. You cannot generalize that one. Okay, if I tell you now, okay, for example, if I tell now 3 systolic blood pressures are there, okay, take the third one. Okay, their meaning is here the best out of it is take it as a baseline value. The intention meaning is take the best one. The best one you cannot tell now because it depends on your study. Clear?
Yeah, it also depends on the scenarios. Okay.
It depends on the scenario. Systolic blood pressure. Generally, systolic blood pressure they are doing at a baseline value at visit 1, visit 2, visit 3 times they are doing. Obviously, you have to take it a baseline at the time of screening. You have to take it. Okay. In the screening also they are doing in a different time points. Which one you have to take it? So you cannot generalize that one. It depends on your study. But any one of you will get it. See, that's the reason you are getting. They gave it only for one flag. Three tests with it, but they gave it a flag is to only one.
Yeah.
Similarly, diastolic blood pressure, if you observe. 3 times they did it at the base screening time. One thing they marked as yes. See, that is 6th one. Pulse rate, they did it only for one time. The screening time, they tested only one time. That obviously they make it as a baseline flag as this. Okay. Temperature, again, the 2 times they tested in the screening. The best one they make it as a yes. Into only one it is marked as yes. But weight and height they tested only once. So that they marked as a baseline flag as this. Clear? So what I was telling, the meaning will be the same only. The first non-missing test results will be the same. The first test results will be the yes. In the first test also, if you do it at multiple times, it will be scenarios. Okay? You cannot. Maybe tomorrow in your study, you will not get this scenario. Your study will get this scenario. In your screening time, all the tests, they did it only one time. So same rule.
Yeah, that will be baseline flag.
Okay, clear? That's it. Okay. There's still anyone? Understand the baseline flag. Baseline flag is important. Definitely, it's a very, very important thing. Okay. So how to derive also, it was clearly mentioned in a SAP document or any specification also, it was clearly mentioned. But remember the overall meaning will be you remember. Okay. So what in general, okay, if you tell now it is a 2 depth, you'll forget the basics. Okay, what they will do right in real time. If you have multiple three screening at the time of screening, 3 tests will be, they'll give, okay, you have to filter, you programmatically what you have to do, right? You have to filter out, you make it as a 1 only. In the 3, which one you require? Only 1. Okay, take it 1. How you have to take that 1? It depends on the scenario. You write that condition, eliminate remaining 2, keep it only 1. Eliminate any 2, keep it 1. Eliminate remaining 2, keep it 1. Then you mark it as a baseline value. They simply write first dot of The first result marked as a baseline flag. Simple. That time, every test will get only one result, but at the time of screening, that is your baseline flag. Okay, clear? Okay. Actually, baseline flag was explained why I'm writing and showing while writing showing an example here. I could have shown here itself, right? You will get confused. That's the reason I was explaining here. Got it, guys? Clear? So that's it for vital signs. Any questions, anyone? Oh, no questions? Shall we go to the next one? Next one is P, physical examination. Physical examination. Okay. Physical examination. What this domain will capture. See, in a CRF page, there is a separate page itself we have. See? Every time we'll do the physical examination test. So this domain basically will capture normalities and abnormalities of all the body systems or organ classes. Like how is his heart functioning, normal or abnormal? Lungs functioning, normal or abnormal? Kidneys functioning, normal or abnormal? And also, if you have any skin rashes also, we'll capture. If you have any skin issues, so also we'll capture. Okay. So by end, what is this domain will capture? This domain captures the normalities and abnormalities of body system, organ class, and any skin issues also. Okay, very simple. The test will do. For example, your PE test was like this, and the results. For example, heart functioning. How the heart functioning? Is it normal? Abnormal. If abnormal, what is that abnormality? We have to write. How is kidneys functioning? Normal or abnormal? If abnormal, what is that abnormality? For example, skin. Skin it is not normal. If it is abnormal, what is abnormal? There is also rashes on skin. That abnormality you have to write. If it is normal, just write a normal. That's it. This is what your result. You won't get any numbers on it. Nothing. In a PE domain, you won't get any numbers in the results. You will write normal, if not normal. If not normal, what is that abnormality? Okay. Clear? So this is the structure of the domain. One record per body system, per visit, per subject. One record per body system, per visit, per subject. So for each body system, you have to write one test name. For each test, you have to capture the result for each visit. Okay. What is the topics variable here? PE test code will be the topic. So previously LV test code, vital signs test code, now PE test code. Okay. See the variables and labels. What are the common variables you have? Study ID, domain. We are discussing about physical examination domain. Yes, UPG ID. It's the combination of study ID, site ID, and subject ID. The sequence number. These are 4 common variables in every domain. Okay. The test code. Okay. Physical examination test short name will capture here. Test short name. Okay. The test. Physical examination test name will capture here. So make sure test short code should be up to 8 characters only. Test name, full name up to 40 characters. For example, if your test was ear, nose, throat, these are tests you're doing. When you come short code, we have to capture only short name, ENT. Okay. If it is directly was there, no problem. String means only below 8 characters, you can directly skip. Like test short. Okay. Some respiratory test you're doing. When you come here, 8 characters only. So give me 8 characters, up to 8 characters. Okay. And you have still PE category variable. Same type variables, okay. Like PE category. Physical examination category. So particular test comes under which category? Is it general category? Generally skin rashes and all, ENT and all comes under general category only. Any heart related things and all, cardiac category. Okay. Still, if you have some extra information, we'll go to subcategory. Physical examination subcategory. Okay. And you have test codes, categories. Then obviously you have results. Original results, standard results. Okay. Same type of variables. Just name will change. That's it. The original results, physical examination, original results. What is the result? Normal, heart function, normal. In your rash, abnormality. What is the abnormality? You don't have to find any units here. Physically, even though you have variables, P, R, R, S, SU, original results, but you don't find any units here because you're not capturing any numbers here. On normal abnormality, so units you won't capture. Same in a standard result, character data type alone will be there. Same details will capture in a standard values. Numeric data type also not required. Standard results in numeric data type. So standard results in units. So these variables are not required in a PE domain because you won't get a results here. Okay, original units, standard results in numeric data type, standard results units. So these variables are not required, even though it was they kept it in a PE domain, but in general we won't capture because you won't get any values there. Okay. Next is status, completion status. So obviously you have to capture not done. Okay. So whenever the original results and standard results both are missing, give the status as not done. If not done, write a reason for not done. Anything. Subject was refused, as investigator error, equipment was broken. You can write the reason according to that, according to the given raw data. Next, PE method of test. Which method you follow to do the particular test? Some X-ray test, or MRI. Which method you follow? Okay. Next, evaluator. Who evaluates this? Generally, investigator or principal investigator. Always wherever you'll see evaluator names will be investigator or principal investigator. Okay. PE location, physical examination, body location. Okay. Now you are doing the physical examination. For example, skin have rashes. Where? And arm, and a neck, and a legs. Where? The body location you have to mention. See, PE body system and organ class. Generally, here only your test name and your body system almost same only. Just test also will be which body system you are doing. Is it heart or kidney or skin? Same body system names also will capture the same. Respiratory, skin, which body system? Respiratory system or nervous system. So B body system is the body system. And these three are obviously common variables. Visit names will come from the raw data. Visit number and visit date will derive from the history domain. PEDTC is the date of collection, examination, when the particular PE test was done, the date we have to capture. But always remember, all the dates should be same thing, should be there in a character data type, and should be there in a standard format. Okay. PE device study day, how the study day was there based on the PEDTC and RFS-DETC with a standard formula. PEDTC minus RFS-DETC plus 1, when PEDTC greater than or equal to RFS-DETC. If it is less than, just do the minus. Standard formula. Okay. Check here. All the values will come. See here. What are the variables we have? Study ID, domain, unit subject ID, sequence number, test code, category, location, body system, original results, standard results, and character data type, status, reason for not done, visit number, visit date, collection day, study day. Okay. See what type of test we are doing. Head, respiratory, ear, nose, throat, skin, cardiovascular, fundoscopy. Okay, these are test codes is into a short name. Comes under which category? Mostly general category or ophthalmological category. Fundoscoping under ophthalmological. So based on the given CRF form, how they are categorized the given test, you can give the category name. If you have some body location, for example, skin have a rash, where on a face and hands or an arm. Body system, which body system it is? Inner cardiovascular, CV is not cardiovascular. How the result? Only two type of result, either normal or abnormal. What is the abnormality? For example, skin have rashes, skin have allergic reactions, cardiovascular, heart murmur. That abnormality will capture. Same in original, same in standard also. You don't have any unit variables and any numeric variables are not required. Not, you won't get in a PE domain. Okay. P status we have to capture not done. For example, both original results and standard results if it is missing, keep a status as not done and write a reason for not done. Okay. Visit number, visit date area from the SV domain. Visit obviously you get it from the raw data. Okay. PD, this is the collection date, in which date the particular text was that, the dates will capture in a standard format. PDV study date, you have to derive from the PDTC and RFT. Okay. Clear? That's it. Clear? So that's it for the P. Clear? Any questions? Anyone? P? If no questions, so that's it for P today. So that's it for vital signs and P. So remaining findings we will discuss in the next class. And today I'll give some test papers. Okay. 3 test papers I'm going to send to everyone. So write answers for this. Okay. Some SDTM questions and from base as advanced as questions also was there. So write your answers and send me. I'll check your answers. Okay. If any questions from any Adams topic, maybe 1 or 2 questions are there in between, you can ignore those questions. Remaining all the questions you can answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
3 test papers, write your answers and send me. Each one will take hardly some 15-20 minutes. 3 test papers. Not you spend half an hour or 45 minutes. You can finish those 3 test papers. Okay. That's it I have. So now come to project. So that's it I have. So those others who doesn't have anything, you can drop it. I'll review the course. Those who are sick. Okay. Fine then. Thank you. So who sent the codes? Manasa. DS completed Manasa completely.
Yeah, Sudarshan.
And also here. Deepa can stay back. I'll review your code also. Okay, let me complete this DS domain. That image was not done.
Yeah, Sudarshan, I'm doing it actually regarding the date. there I am using the macro function for, I think it is for PDH. I'm using that, but I'm not getting how to use it. Maybe by tomorrow I will finish it and I will send the code.
Okay.
So every time I have there, I have to write like the months, like January, February, like that. There I have to mention it. So by using macros, we can reduce the
Right,
length,
some
right?
format, use format, right? I told you, right? Format, use that format name. You need macros.
Okay, okay. So just trying it. That's
Yeah, you can try, no problem. I was telling you, even the simpler way.
okay. So here also, Sudarshan, I have some doubts here in this DS project.
Tell me.
So regarding the terms like DS term and DS cat is there, right? So can you please move upwards a little bit? Maybe in the DS4 or DS5.
Okay.
No, not in this. Can you please move up or down or? Yeah. In RAN DTT not equal to then do DS term and DS cat, right? So again, the same variables we are getting it here also from the MEVTIE, right? So there I didn't use that output option there, because if I gave the output option means I'm getting the values one more time, like the protocol milestone, I'm getting it. So is that correct to write the output option there, or after finishing the terms, I have to write there? Did you get it, Sudarshan?
You have to write the output statement here.
Okay.
Because this is different term. This
Mhm.
is different term.
Yeah.
Okay. This condition you have to apply in your output data sheet. Okay. Here again, you no need to create output statement.
Mhm.
Because here you'll get a term and categories. For each term, what is the dates you are deriving here. Again, for no need to give the output statement. To give again output statement, what is these dates will create in another observation. not
Yeah, for
another-
another observations. So like at the end
For
of
those
the,
observations, there is no date term and category, right? For
yeah,
these terms and categories, you are deriving the dates.
okay. Semicolon.
See, for randomized, what is the term? The date you are getting.
Yeah.
If you do it in a previous method,
Yeah, I'm
okay.
getting two more observations.
DS SDTC, you will get one more observation. For a DS term, you will get one more observation.
Yeah.
That's coming correctly?
Yeah.
For AE, AMD don't have dates. This is also a total same mistake.
Yeah.
Update this.
Okay, sure.
By 2 times. This is not equal to null. This is not equal to null. Both are same only.
No. And G and SPTM also not equal to. Both conditions are different, right?
Here you use a date and time together. Here, if time is not there, only dates are used. That's okay. You're concatenating time here.
Yeah.
If time also not there, only dates.
Okay.
You did not write output statements. Same way. Okay.
Okay.
Write output statements here. This one you will add it in a different data.
Okay. I will update it, Suraj. Got it.
So conceptually you understand, okay?
Okay.
Every term have a category, every term have a date, start dates and end dates, correct?
Yeah.
Term separately, date separately supposed to not supposed to come in output.
Okay.
After setting, you are applying the defaults. This is fine. Then derive the sequence number.
Sequence, labels, and final.
Okay. Do those changes. You will get
Okay,
corrected.
Okay, sure, Suraj. Thank you.
Deepa. Yeah, I'll check your AE project. That's why I asked you to wait. Deepa. I told you right, couple of times I was reviewed AE. Why did not give a length statements? While reviewing other scores, I told you right. Give me the lengths, okay? If you did not give a length, see, seriousness variable. You give the first as yes. So only one character space was going to allocated. Even the next values, even if you give 2 letters, it will take only one character. So instead of NA, it will going to display as N only. Okay. So you created the E action N, double N variable you created, but you're giving length for a N. There also did not give a length. Now to do the limits. 40 characters first. Even for out you give I can see. Okay. Severity also. Okay. Labels and all you not applied. ఈ action NN. But here you may be action. Very God is a action where we are getting this. Okay, you're writing 2 times. And there is no variable called a act. The variable name is a action, right? You're renaming as a action. Where? What you are renaming finally? So you're keeping the original names only. Where is this severe and apt? AETHR. These are not variable names, right? These are raw data set variable names. What is the standard variable name? AE series, AE action, AE concatenate treatment, AE concatenate treatment, AE rel. These are the variable names, right? You are giving the same raw data set variable names you are giving. Now you did not keep it in the order. You did not apply the labels on them. It's not severity, it's severe. Okay, variable name should be in capital letters. Okay. Remaining is fine. To update these changes, add the labels, add the variables in the order, if the required variables are. Okay, Deepak? That's it. Okay. Keep required variables. Keep in order. Apply labels. Check lengths. Correctly. Okay. These changes you do it. Yeah. That's it then. If you have any doubts, you can call me. Thank you. Others have anything? Dharmas, Rina, Manas, anyone have anything?
Yeah, no suggestion. I'm good actually.
Okay, then thank you. We'll catch up
Thank
tomorrow.